Hello Salesforce enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're diving into an essential aspect of Salesforce, some things that's gonna make your data come alive, and that is building a dashboard. Dashboard sounds powerful, right? And if you're not quite sure how to create one, do not worry because we've got you covered. You are in the right place. But before we dive into all of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Before we can create a dashboard, all you gotta do is go to the web browser of your choice. And once you've done that, go to salesforce.com, create an account, and once you created your account, log in with your credentials. Okay. And once you've done that successfully, all we gotta do is hover down to this interface right here. Go to home. And then all you gotta do is click this dashboard right here. And then new dashboard, right? Okay, before we create one, let me just tell you that building a dashboard in Salesforce offers a lot of compelling reasons, making it a valuable tool for organizations to gain insights, monitor key metrics, and make informed decisions because it provides a visually engaging way to present data, making it easier to understand and interpret complex information because some Salesforce dashboards can display real-time data, giving users access to the most up-to-date information at one glance. Dashboards can be customized to display data that is more relevant to your business, enabling you to tailor the visualizations to your specific needs. You can use dashboards, to track key performance indicators such as KPIs, goals and objectives, providing a quick overview of your organization's progress. For executives and decision makers, dashboards provide a concise summary of critical data. And also, I'd like to point out that sales teams can also use dashboards to monitor sales performance and track opportunities and identify trends in revenue generation. For executives and decision makers, also, dashboards provide a concise summary of critical data, facilitating quicker and more informed decisions. Nowadays, the dashboards are essential for monitoring your operational process and identify bottlenecks and areas for improvements. So you can also create custom reports and charts within your dashboard, allowing for a deep dive into a specific data point. Okay. All right. Since we are here, let's say, let's say, let's say, the title would be okay. Once you've done that, create, and it would lead you to this interface right here. Now you can go to a component. You would have a lot of options here, like created by me, private reports, public reports, all reports. And once you've done that, maybe let's hover down to this one right here. Okay, okay, this one. All right, so you have the options to display as vertical bar chart. It's a lot easy. All right, so you can line chart and whatnot. All right, so add it into your dashboard. Once you've added that to your dashboard, you can now use to track progress towards goals and objectives, whether they are related to sales, marketing, customer service, or other areas. Also, Salesforce offers mobile compatible dashboards, enabling users to access critical data from anywhere at any time. And dashboards encourage a data driven culture within an organization where decisions are based on facts and metrics rather than intuition, right? So it provides an access to key data. Dashboards can improve employer productivity by eliminating the time spent searching for information, and it's very effective to use Salesforce dashboards to gain a competitive edge by optimizing processes, identifying opportunities, and addressing challenges in a timely manner. Overall, guys, if you have to ask me, building a dashboard in Salesforce is a critical step toward achieving a greater visibility, data driven decision making, and operational excellence within an organization. It helps business stay agile, responsive, and competitive in a rapidly evolving business landscape, right? That's easy. That's how you create your own dashboard, so you can customize it to whatever needs or what suits your likeness, okay? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support. We love having you as part of our Easy Earl community. You can connect with us on social media, and the links are in the description below. Stay on the loop with our updates and behind the scenes content. And I'll see you guys probably in the next one. If you have any suggested topics that you would like us to cover, just let us know, and we'll be more than glad to do so. Thanks, guys. See you.